After a long time of waiting, I received the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And here is the unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and my honest truth about the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The iPhone 16 Pro Max feels like a step up in every aspect, and I'm excited to dive deeper into what this powerhouse of a phone can do. From the moment I opened the box, the iPhone 16 Pro Max immediately lived up to its Pro name. The packaging is clean and minimal, with the phone resting at the top, drawing all attention to its massive 6.9-inch display. Underneath the phone, Apple's eco-friendly approach is clear. Only a USB-C to USB-C cable is included, along with the usual quick start guide and Apple stickers. There's no charging brick, so if you're upgrading from a much older model, you may need to buy that separately. However, it's a minor inconvenience in an otherwise flawless presentation. The device itself feels solid and substantial, with a polished matte finish that not only looks stunning but resists fingerprints more than previous models. The refined ceramic shield on the front and back adds to its sleek, durable design, while the aerospace-grade titanium frame brings a lighter yet robust feel compared to last year's titanium. When I powered up the device, the first thing that grabbed my attention was the display. The ProMotion technology, now with a 1 Hz to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, makes everything look incredibly smooth. Whether scrolling through apps or watching high-res videos, the Super Retina XDR display with its deep blacks and vibrant colors truly shine. The iPhone 16 Pro Max camera offers fast and precise autofocus, ensuring sharp and clear photos in any setting. Its advanced image processing and low-light capabilities further enhance photo quality. On the back, the newly upgraded camera system catches your eye with its larger lenses. The quad lens array, including the upgraded 48-megapixel main sensor and telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom, promises incredible detail and versatility. I haven't tested the camera fully yet, but just from a few quick snaps, the dynamic range and sharpness are immediately noticeable. I will soon do a camera comparison with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Thank you for watching. If you can subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate it. See you in the next video.